we leave you now with images from the Birds of Prey Foundation Rehabilitation Center near Broomfield, Colorado.
The purpose of the facility is to take in injured and orphaned birds of prey, sometimes also other birds. Many times the injuries are very severe. One of the major causes of admission is struck by vehicles, and it can vary from terrible head and eye injuries to fractures in wings and legs that we attempt to repair if it is feasible. Not a beauty. He got hit by a car and had a soft tissue injury on his wing, no fractures. Reasons for the injuries is basically, in essence, habitat destruction. We are building highways. Beautiful Our bird. Speed limit has gone up on highways. It was found on the highway in New Mexico. And they brought it all the way and many times we get birds that have been displaced. There is a new shopping center going in somewhere, or housing development. There are birds that are residents in this area, and suddenly there is no more room for them. 90% of our admissions are human-related, intentional or unintentional. Big birds often, eagles often get injured by power lines. They fly into power lines, and they don't see those power lines when they are maybe pursuing prey. I get birds in that fly into barbed wires. I get birds that have been electrocuted. I always, all my life, wanted to work with animals. And there is a great satisfaction in getting a bird, for instance, that has 2 fractured legs. And with lots of care, lots of time, there comes the day when the bird can stand on his own legs again. And that is an incredible feeling.